So we will start with the unboxing of the accessories that I just received. First, we move the dog. The box arrived via FedEx a few days ago. Nicely packaged. So we ordered 2 of the LED packages. Comes with 2 LEDs per package, 2 shoulder straps, and 2 seat cushion wedges. Alright, so shoulder straps. The kayak does have a handle to carry, but if you'd rather have it over your shoulder, you get a strap, adjustable ends, make it longer, shorter, clips, one on each end that clip onto the little loops that are on the top of the kayak, like so. So we got 2 of those, one for each kayak. We got the seat cushion wedge. This actually is designed to fit underneath the seat cushion that comes with the kayak. So you would take out that cushion that's held onto the kayak by the elastic or the bungee cord there, and then slip this underneath, then set the cushion that came with the kayak over the top, put the bungee cord over both of them. And the advantage of this one is, and if you can tell, it's thin on this side, it's thick on this side, so it supports you as you're sitting in the kayak. Your legs come up a little bit when you're in a seated position, so this will help support your upper leg in theory. We'll see how that works out. 2 of these LED packages. Inside we got 2 lights, 2 USB plugs, some Velcro stick-ons, and your remote control. For the first time use, charge it for 4.5 hours just to be safe. And then in the instructions it says make sure that you have it charged at least 3.5 hours before each use so that you get a full charge on it. So once it's done charging, you just make sure you put the plug back in. Don't lose the little plug, otherwise you could get water inside. And there you go. You would attach it to the inside of your kayak by the little sticky Velcro tabs that they have, and just stick them on, then stick it somewhere into your kayak that you would like the light to come out of. Got the little remote, turn on a light, you hit the little on button, voila. You can select any one of these many colors. You can have each light do different things independently. Just make sure you turn it off when you're done so you don't use up all your battery. And those are the accessories. We'll see how they do once we install them all into our kayaks. Thanks for watching. Probably not even looking at this stuff. They're just looking at you. You cute little